Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open trade on MetaTrader 4. Opening a trade in MetaTrader 4 is a straightforward process. First of all, launch open MetaTrader 4 application on your mobile device and log in. You will now end up in the Codes tab, from where you will need to click on the instrument you want to trade. After you select an instrument or symbol, click on the Trade button. Set the trade parameters, specify the number of lots you want to trade, set a price level to automatically close the trade if it moves against you by going ahead and entering the amount inside the stop loss option. Inside Take Profit, set a price level to automatically close the trade once it reaches your desired profit. And inside Deviation, you can enter the amount to control the maximum slippage between the requested and executed price when opening or closing a trade. Enter the maximum PIP difference you are willing to accept between the requested and executed price. And right after you do that, if you believe the price will rise, click on Buy. Whereas if you believe the price will fall, you can tap on Sell. Right after you do that, you will then be able to open a trade on MetaTrader 4. Now you can check your trade in Terminal window or inside the Trade tab, and you'll see details like entry price and floating profit and loss. So that is how you can easily start a trade in MetaTrader 4. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorial videos like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.